Hi, I'm Lee Phillips. I'm an attorney, a U.S. Supreme Court counselor, and this is Ben Rucker. He's a former IRS agent. We don't get too close to him. You get cooties or something. What we want to talk about for 2 seconds is how you make your health insurance tax deductible. Health insurance doesn't come free these days. So the question is, can I make it tax deductible? I have a little business, I work for myself, I do multi-level, or whatever it is. The question is, do I need a 105 plan? Do I need a 125 flex benefit plan? Do I need an HSA, health savings account? Do I need an HRA? What do I need, Ben? How do I make my health insurance tax deductible?
So your health insurance premiums are deductible if you have your own business, okay?
Don't I need a plan, written plan in place and all that garbage?
Well, those are not generally health insurance premiums. Those are health expenses, right?
So they're going to help me set aside money to pay for the doctor deductibles and the prescriptions and stuff that the insurance doesn't pay for. You're telling me that if I file a Schedule C,
or S corporation,
or I'm an S corporation, 1120S, or even a C corporation, or a partnership,
right?
I can just take the cost of my insurance, the premium, put it on the expense account, and that's it?
Yeah, in fact, if you look at the front page of your return, there's a line item that says self-employed health insurance premiums. You can write those off. And then on top of that, if you do have an HSA, you can write off that as well.
Now, do I have to be working full-time with this business?
No. It's not a requirement.
Not a requirement.
No, but most of the time, if you're not working full-time with this business, you're working full-time somewhere else.
And you're getting insurance
and you're
there.
Getting insurance there. So you're getting it somewhere. And in fact, if you work for somebody else, you'll notice on your W-2, and if you look at your pay stubs, that amount is not being taxed to you. The health insurance premiums that you're paying.
So I don't have to, that's not income to me.
Right.
Even though I may be participating in the purchase of it.
Right.
Okay, good. So it's really easy, guys. Just buy your health insurance and buy health insurance. I had a case this last week where the kid got hurt and Mom and Dad didn't have any insurance, and we were going to chance it. Well, they lost on their chance it.
Right, and the health insurance premiums are easy to deduct. If you're trying to deduct all the medical expenses you incur,
then I need the plan.
Well, those are generally subject to 7.5% of your AGI.
Yes, if it's just a medical deduction, I have to. If I make $100,000 this year, I've got to make have at least $7,500 worth of medical expenses before I can deduct the first one. But use a plan, an HRA, an HSA, 125 or whatever it is, then that basically makes the health expenses, in addition to the premium for the health insurance, it makes the health expenses tax free.
Okay.
I like it. Do it, guys. Lee Phillips and Ben Rucker talking about how to make the health insurance tax deductible. Now, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you on our next YouTube.